know you've had layered taco dip, but that's not what we're making today. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. We are making a layered Greek-inspired dip. Why don't we just get started? It's super easy. The first thing we're gonna do in a mixing bowl, a small bowl, doesn't need to be big, we're gonna combine equal parts sour cream and Greek yogurt. To that, I'm going to mince in 1 clove of garlic. If you want more than that, go for it, but it'll be very garlicky with just 1. Then we're going to salt and pepper this, build those layers of flavors with some vegetables as well. So my cucumber, my onion, peppers, and sprinkles of dried oregano go in next, and we mix that up in a bowl. Set that aside as we continue. We are not cooking, warming, baking, or doing anything with this when it comes to adding heat. It is going to be a cold dip, but you do need a casserole dish of some sort to build your layers and have it easily dipped into. So get that ready, and we're going to start with putting a layer of hummus on the bottom of this pan. Now, I ain't gonna judge if you go out there and buy yourself some hummus from the store, but I will tell you, if you would like to make it at home yourself, I do have a recipe for hummus, a really nice simple garlic hummus. I will put the link in the description of this video so that you can make your own homemade hummus as well. All right, moving aside, we've got a layer of hummus on the bottom of our casserole dish, sheet pan thingy mabobber, whatever you're using. Okay, next goes the mixture that we created with our veggies, sour cream, and yogurt that we're gonna layer all the way on top, use all of it. But we needed to keep some of those extra veggies. Now, I will write this all into an actual recipe. If you need to take this to the grocery store or want to make it yourself, you can easily reference it after watching this video. But I like to then sprinkle onto the top some of that extra cucumber, red onion, peppers, and now I'm also gonna add tomatoes and green olives. Black olives work just as well, so go ahead. And if you have met me, if you have watched The Silly Kitchen before, you know cheese is my favorite ingredient of all time. I'm a little bit addicted to all cheese. With this being a Greek-inspired layered dip, we are using feta cheese, so crumble as much as you want on top, and to finish it off, a little sprinkle of that dried oregano as well. Put that in the fridge before you serve it, get it nice and cold, and it works so well with pita wedges. If you want to put it on crackers or baguettes or something like that, you can as well, but I mean, we're doing a Greek dip, let's use Greek pitas. They are wonderful. You get that salty and savory, delicious flavor in every bite. And it's wonderful for summertime because it is nice and cold. It satisfies the cheese lovers and that, Mediterranean Greek flavor in your mouth. I need to go eat some now, I think. Thank you for joining me on The Silly Kitchen. I hope this snack appears in your life sometime soon. Till next time.